Here we have 2 clamps, the main plate, 2 U-bolts and the sets of nuts, bolts and washers. We get a clamp, put it in this facing this way and this one facing this way, not this way, both the same. A bolt, a spring washer, a flat washer, insert it in the clamp just loosely. Next one, same order. Insert it loosely. We repeat this for the next one, and again finally for this one. That's it. Then what we do is to mount it on the chassis, we get the 2 U-bolts, put from the inside, sit the clamp bracket on, like so. One flat washer, one spring washer, one nut. And we repeat that in that order all the way along. Now you note that these bolts are very long in this case. They'll need to be cut off once the nuts are done up. Cut off flush with the end of the nuts. The U-bolts are made as a universal fitting. Some chassis are very thick, such as boat chassis, so that's what they're made for. They're made to fit everything. So we cut them off here with an angle grinder or hacksaw. And that's it. Easy as that. We set the wheel up in line with the clamps. They're still loose. We wind it up to the position where the lug lines up with this slot, with the first slot. Then we tighten the clamps with this piece in line with the hinge. We note that both clamps are still loose on the bracket. Once this is aligned, firmly aligned, then we can tighten the clamps. That will then make sure that both clamps are in line with the shaft. And then they can stay in this position. They don't have to come, they never have to come off the plate again. And so that's the way we align it.